Start. The corporation will consist of 80 members and these 80 will elect 6 aldermen staff. The 80 members will be elected by all adult residents of the area comprising the corporation staff. The electoral roll which had been framed or which may hereafter be framed for elections to the Lok Sabha will also serve as the roll for election to the corporation staff. So it will be broad-based election on the suffrage of the entire adult population of Delhi staff. Besides, as I just said, it will also have the opportunity of electing 6 aldermen so that those who do not want to stand for election or who, because of their experience of public life, of their reputation, public spirit and the like, are considered to be particularly desirable for the efficient discharge of the duties by the corporation will thus be held elected by the corporation itself staff. This is not now embodied in the corporation bill, but I propose to move an amendment to that effect in the select committee stanza. I have just said that this corporation will also discharge all the duties relating to electricity, water supply, transport, sewage, drainage, etc. staff. Even in the Bombay Corporation, the generation of electricity does not come within the purview of the corporation staff. Although our own bill is modelled on the pattern of the Bombay Corporation, we have tried to liberalize it in certain respects. Staff. The corporation will have a mayor and we provide that under the rules, if it is so decided, the mayor may be given housing and transport facilities to staff. The members too may, if such rules are framed and approved by the House, be allowed to draw some allowance for attending the meetings. Staff. As our public life is growing richer and all classes, howsoever poor, are coming forward to serve the community with devotion, it becomes necessary to make some provision of this type so that no one may be deterred because of his poverty and lack of resources from placing his talents and experience at the disposal of the community staff. So we have made that provision to staff. I understand that in Bombay also there is some such move for making provision for the members of the corporation staff. The corporation will, besides the mayor, have a deputy mayor and a general manager for transport, drainage and sewage and water supply staff. Besides these, many other functionaries will have to be appointed. Stanza. The bill provides that all persons drawing